I welcome you to this session. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about basics of stock market. Our very first question arises, what is stock market? We can easily understand stock market with an example. Let's imagine a new motor company decided to launch their cars in market. First, the company will advertising their products to big investors. If investors think the company has a good idea, they get the first crack at investing and then sponsor the company initially public offering or IPO. These investors invest their money in company. Company uses investors' money to make more and reliable cars and products. This launches the company onto the official public market. Now, if the car company provide consistent growth in their products and increasing their market value day by day, more and more investors start investing their money, and this investing of money is known as stock market. Buying stocks makes those investors partially owner in the business. Their investment help the company to grow and company becomes more successful. As demand for those stocks increases, so does their prices increases, the cost for prospective buyers, and this help to raising the values of the company stocks people already own. However, if for some reasons the company starts falling down, then reverse can also be happen. If investors think their stock value is going to decline, they may sell their stocks which they buy earlier. As the investing starts selling, as the stocks start selling, their stocks, the stock price is falling down, and with it, company's market value also falling down. Company can lose their market value due to many other reasons like low quality material used in cars, bad production quantity, and cost of the labor is high, change in leadership. This may cause ups and downs in stock values. Stock market is not just for rich and powerful people. Stock market is for all the peoples. The era of internet helped the investors to buy and sell stock market in many of the exact same ways our large investors do. There are a lot of companies participate in stock market. To choose a good stock, an investor need to research about companies and their products. Most favorable products gives high returns. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent stock market updates, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.